How to make a detox bath to get rid of toxins from your body. We encounter many toxins and heavy metals on a daily basis. We swallow them through the food and beverages we consume and inhale them through the air we breathe. We also absorb them excessively from the environment through our body's largest organ, which is the skin. Moreover, numerous products like deodorants, moisturizers, and cosmetics that we apply onto our skin are laden with toxins. Mercury, cadmium, and aluminum, among others, are able to embed themselves into our central nervous system and bones, bioaccumulating for years until we start to suffer acute health problems from heavy metal poisoning. They are suspected of triggering dangerous conditions like heart disease, thyroid problems, dementia, neurological conditions, autism, infertility, and birth defects. The good news is that the heavy metal detox bath can remove these contaminants from your body and minimize their impact in your health. How to make a detox bath to get rid of toxins from your body. When you immerse yourself into a bath, your body temperature rises and all your pores open up. The therapeutic ingredients you add to your bath can do wonders for your skin and effectively detoxify and rejuvenate your system. Baking soda is great for neutralizing the chlorine that has been added to most city water sources. It's tough to detox in a bath that is full of a toxic chemical, so it's good that this makes it clear naturally. Bathing in Epsom salts is a safe and easy way to increase sulfate and magnesium levels in the body, according to a 2004 study published by Magnesium Online Library. Baking soda and Epsom salt detox bath. Number 1. Start filling your tub with warm water. Number 2. As your tub fills, add 2 cups of baking soda. Number 3. Then sprinkle in 2 cups of Epsom salt. Number 4. Mix the ingredients thoroughly with your hands. Number 5. Soak in the bath for 20 to 50 minutes. In addition to detoxifying your body, this bath will clear up congestion, relieve pain and aching joints and muscles, and might even help you lose weight. Note: it is best to take this bath before bed, sleep, and take a shower the next morning. If you're not taking this bath before bed, wait 4 hours after the bath before you shower.